Prisma Cloud policies need to be included in an alert rule, but they also need to be enabled in Prisma Cloud. Not all policies are enabled by default. Their status needs to be enabled with a green status indication. Prisma Cloud includes a default alert rule that can be used to generate alerts. But to use it, you must associate your public cloud accounts with the default alert rule. So let's go ahead and take a look at the steps we would perform in order to associate account groups that are created during the onboarding process with the default alert rule. We'll start by navigating to Alerts and then click on Alert Rules. I can see the default alert rule listed. Let's verify that the status is enabled and then click to select the rule. We have a default alert rule name, and I'm not going to change that, and a description to scan all policies and all accounts added to the default account group. Looks good to me. Let's go ahead and click on Next. Here is where I can use the drop-down box to add account groups to the default alert rule. So let's go ahead and select the AWS Web Cluster account group, and then click on Next. The default for this alert rule is to select all policies. We won't change that. We'll click on Next. To complete the configuration, click Save. And success, the alert rule has been updated and saved successfully. So in summary, if you do not see alerts after you have onboarded your public cloud accounts, you may need to associate those accounts with the default alert rule. Since the default alert rule includes all Prisma Cloud policies out of the box, this may be a good way to baseline your security posture once you get started with Prisma Cloud. After making an assessment of your security posture, you may then want to configure more specific alert rules targeting different parts of your public cloud infrastructure, or place an emphasis on specific policies, or even create custom policies.